welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can create page on the Facebook on easy and simple steps. For that, you just need to subscribe my channel so that you can enjoy the tutorial videos on my channel and solve the problems through the tutorials. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open the Facebook. Once you open the Facebook, on the top right corner you can see the three-line icon. Tap on it and then you can see on the top the pages option. Tap on it. After that, you can see over on the top left corner the create option, and then you need to tap on get started. After that, you need to fill up all the credentials and the prompts that will be instructed while creating the page, and after that you can easily create page on the Facebook. Here on the first step, it is asked to use the name of your business, brand or organization, or a name that has to explain your page. So type in the page name you want to make. Then after you have filled in the page name, you need to tap on next. Then here search of the category that page describe the daily diary. So you can search for categories or add anyone you want to so that people find this page in the search result. Then we can tap on create after filling out the category, and then you'll be guided to this page where you need to write your bio, your website, emails, phone numbers, location, and the location hours. Then in the similar way, you need to fill up all your prompts one by one, and then you can easily create page on the Facebook. So this was it, guys. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any queries related to any problem, then without hesitation you can just comment on the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.